Why did you feel it is important to share the information with the public? Why? What have been the effect on your career? Do you think it's worth it? I was very pro-vaccine in terms of pro-government, and I'm still pro-government, and that's why I went and did my first shot back in May. And then it was later that when I started looking into the data, I started seeing that the narrative is embellished in order to make results look better. Now I found that no one would talk to me. I would ask, can I share my concerns? We are not listening to your concerns, talk to your doctor. Talk to your doctor. The doctors are not data scientists. Next week I have my pre-disciplinary hearing because I have the letter which essentially alleges breaking the code of conduct by not showing loyalty to my employer. As Government of Canada employees should refrain from criticizing the government in public. I have tools. I have my weapon, which is data, and my knowledge. Other people don't have these tools, this ammunition. I'm equipped with ammunition. I'm equipped with the strongest, the most powerful ammunition you can get, which is data, official data, bulletproof data, government official data. I would like to look back in my life and maybe I lose my salary, maybe I lose other benefits, but I do what, according to the knowledge, to the best possible knowledge I get with all my skills, I've done right in that particular time. I came from a communist country, and by the way, I had free education, free gymnastics, free music, everything free. I've never seen anything bad about Soviet Union until we started having perestroika, glasnost, and when they started talking about things which were actually happening. If you are not enthusiastic about Communist Party, you will not have good career. You will have problems. And here also, if you're saying something bad about vaccines, you may have problems. You will be disciplined. You will be
First off, I can't have you filming here, guys, unfortunately.
Very bizarre policy, you know?
It is, but it's because it's National Research Council and they're doing some pretty top secret experiments here, stuff like that. Can't have any sort of filming here.
I worked at NRC.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's okay. It doesn't matter. Can we sit on the soccer field?
Nope.
Facing that way?
No, sir.
It's okay. It's okay. Well, we'll figure out. I know other places where we'll go. Let's think.